What's going on, guys? Mark Height here with Lee Allen Design, coming to you with another video. Today is going to be a custom built entertainment system here in Lake County. So if you're interested in having something like this done, you know where to find us. Let's get into it. Well, that's going to wrap up our entertainment build today. We want to thank everybody for watching, but we also want to give great thanks to the Senator family for giving us the opportunity to make their dream a reality.
Thanks, Iris and Howie. We appreciate it so much.
We really do appreciate it, and we look forward to more builds at their home along with other people. If you're interested in having Lee Allen Design come out to your house and design one of your dreams, just give us a shout. Until next time.